Ideate Explorer scans the model for accurate element counts and reports the aggregate number of elements, not only in the current view, but in the entire project as well. Revit filters can be used to narrow down what you are looking for. This is a little bit like taking your model's blood pressure. It's a very basic indicator of the Revit model health. By default, Ideate Explorer will display the results based on the element category. After noting the element count, take a moment to scan the element list, pausing to review any category that seems particularly low or high. Double-click to zoom to any specific element. Selecting on the checkbox will highlight the element within the Revit canvas and place it into Revit's selection set to allow for further modification. For more information on all of our Revit-based applications, including trial downloads, software updates, product help, and blog posts, be sure to visit our website at www.ideatesoftware.com. Additionally, be sure to follow us on all of our social media channels as we continue to publish helpful information on all of our products. From the entire Ideate software team, thank you so much for reviewing this video.